ninth chapter, hyperbolic functions. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 6. Last part completed, impounded, repeated 2 marks problems in IB examination model problems completed. Today discuss unexpected 2 marks problem in IB examination, sometimes coming to these problems. What is the first problem? If u is equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 base c and cos theta is greater than 0, then prove that cos hu is equal to secant theta. Here u value is given. First of all, you have to take given that u is equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 base c. By the logarithmic definition, a power x is equal to n, then x is equal to log n base a. This is the formula. In this formula, you can write x value is u, log this total value is n, this value is a. You can write this is logarithmic model. This logarithmic convert to exponent form a power x. A power x nothing but e power x value is u is equal to n. N value is tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Understood or not, students? Understood or not? This is the way you can do the problems. After that, this tan of pi by 4 plus 2 you can write. You can write tan Laplace formula. What is that formula? Tan a. Tan Laplace formula. Tan a. A value is pi by 4 plus tan b. B value is theta by 2. All by 1 minus tan a. Tan pi by 4 into tan b. Tan theta by 2. What is the value of tan pi by 4? Tan pi by 4 value is 1 plus tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 all by 1 minus tan pi by 4 value is 1 into tan theta by 2. This is the value of e power u. Simply you can find e power minus u. E power minus u. What is the meaning of e power minus u? E power minus u nothing but 1 by e power u. 1 by e power u. That is e power minus u. That is the e power minus equal to 1 by e power u value is 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2. In this way, you can simplify these students. This one e power minus u is equal to, this goes to numerator, 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. This is the value of e power minus u. This is the value of e power u. This is the value of e power u. This is the value of e power minus u. After that, you can take LHS part of proven. What is that LHS part? Cos hu. What is the formula of cos hx? What is the definition of hyperbolic function? Cos hx equal to cos hu equal to e power u plus e power minus u by 2. This is the definition of the hyperbolic function. In place of x, you can write u. After that, substitute each value. Cos h of u equal to e power u. E power u value is what here? 1 plus tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus e power minus u value 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2 all by 2. This is e power u value. Cos hu equal to cos hu equal to, you have to take LCM this one. What is the LCM? 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 plus tan theta by 2 LCM. You can write this 1 plus tan theta by 2, 1 plus tan theta by 2. You can write 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 to 1 minus tan theta by 2. You can write 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square all by 2 is there, all by 2 is there. After that, suppose you have to, this is a, this is b, this is also b, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square form. What is the formula? 2 into a square plus b square. This is the formula. Similar, this is a, this is a, this one is b, this is also b. You can write a plus b into a minus b formula. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Write down these two formulas. You get what? Cos hu equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a plus b whole square plus a minus whole square formula 2 into a square nothing but 1 square plus b square nothing but tan theta by 2 whole square whole by a minus b into a plus b. You can write a square 1 square minus b square tan theta by 2 whole square whole by 2 is there. Whole by 2 you can write into 2. Whole by 2 you can write into 2 or not. After that 2 get cancelled. Remaining what? Cos h of u is equal to cos h of u equal to 1 square value 1 plus tan square theta by 2 by here 1 square value is 1 minus tan square theta by 2. See students, you know that trigonometry ratio multiple and submultiple angles formula cos theta in terms of tan 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is the formula. Then secant theta equal to what students? Secant theta is equal to reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos nothing but secant. That's why you can write reciprocal what here? 1 plus tan square theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is the value of secant theta. That's why you can write see students cos hu is equal to 1 plus tan square theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2 value is what here? Secant theta. This is the RHS part. Correct or not students? What is that RHS part? Secant theta. In this way you can do that this model problem. This problem is unexpected in IP examination. Okay, understood or not? In this way you can do that in this model problems. Assignment problem or homework problem, previous problem model. X is equal to log of cot of pi by 4 plus theta of AC. Then prove that first problem cos h of x is equal to secant 2 theta. Second one sin h of 2x is equal to minus tan 2 theta. See students, in this problem you can do that similar of previous problem. This problem some hint is given. You can use that hint. You can solve total problem. What is that? First of all, x is equal to given log of cot of pi by 4 plus theta AC. Here, by the logarithmic definition, this can be written as e power x is equal to cot of pi by 4 plus theta. Already explained the logarithmic definition previous problem. That's why you can write this step. That's why you can write here cot a plus b formula. What is that formula? Cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. This is the formula of cot of a plus b. In place of a you can write pi by 4. In place of b you can write theta. After that you can write e power x equal to cot pi by 4 nothing but 1 into cot theta minus 1 by cot theta plus cot pi by 4 value is 1. 1 into cot theta we can write cot theta. That's why next you can write this cot goes converted to tan. Cot nothing but 1 by tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 whole by 1. We have to take LCM. LCM of numerator is tan theta LCM. You get to 1 minus tan theta whole by here also we denominator LCM tan theta. You get to 1 plus tan theta. Here tan theta get cancelled. You get e power x value is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. This is the value of e power x. E power x value is what here? 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Similarly, e power minus x is equal to 1 by e power x. 1 by e power x nothing but reciprocal of numerator and denominator. That's why you can write 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is the e power x minus x value. This one is the e power x value. You have to take first problem LHS. What is the LHS? Cos hx. What is the formula of cos hx? By the definition, e power x plus e power minus x by 2. In this formula, you can write e power x value is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. E power minus x value is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Similarly, do that the previous problem model. This is the first one. Second one, have to take LHS. What is the second one? LHS. Sin hx. What is the formula of sin hx? Sin hx is equal to e power x minus minus of e power minus x by 2. This is the formula. In this formula you can write e power x value is 1 plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. E power minus x value is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Just in this formula you can write in place of plus you can write minus, you get sin HU. These two problems similarly to the previous problem model after substitution. Okay students, this is the unexpected problems, these two problems in IPA examination. Okay, in this chapter hyperbolic function only 2 marks coming, only small chapter. This chapter can be completed in this problem.